Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to learn about annotation panel. You will see first command is text, second command is smart dimension, and third manual dimension, and fourth is ladder, and fifth is table. So let's start. We learn about everything with example. First command here is text command. The text is two type. One type is multi-line text, the second single line text. What is the difference between multi-line text and single line text? We will discuss with example. First I select the multi-line text, then I draw here text. I written something, you see. If you find it small one, you can double click here and change the dimension size from here. Before is 0.20, now I give him 0.50, then enter. You see it's changed. If you want to more big size, you can 0.60. See this one. Also you can change style. This one is style. Which style you want, you can change the style. You see is here. You see they have is style change. They have is 2x. This one is x2. This one is also they have is changing. If something changing is here, this one is center. This one is top. They have is right. Where you want, you can manage as per you. Also they have is here numbering. If you want to numbering, you can add also this one. You see continuity, allow this one. Which one you want, you can use. Also they have is here. You see small one, 2.5x, more as you like. Also they have is here column. You see also they have is here symbols. You want to symbols, this one, and add a symbol. Which symbol you want, you can add it. This one is text multi-line, and this one is single line text. Also I select here single line. First specify point, then height. I give him 0.60, and it's written by from left to right. Then click, then you can click start. Same. Then click. You see this one is same height, same distance. And again I will check single line. Specify first point, then give the height. I give height 6.60. Then I go to top up from down to up. Then I make a same my name, then click. You see this one, it's going from down to up. and between different multi-line and single line, they have is different. I will edit multi-line thing. I can edit this one multi-lines text, but I cannot edit this single line. I cannot edit because this one it's no have option to edit this one, and the multi-line text we can edit. So this is the difference between multi-line and single line. Next I have the multiple dimension command. This command is automatically generate which object you want to select. For example, baseline, continue line, radius, or circle. This one is automatically generate when you select object, automatically generate dimension. So now we will learn with the example. I will draw here one circle, one line, one is arc. Now we will see the example. Select the first multiple dimension, which object you want to dimension. First I will dimension. I see this line the dimension. I will select the command. I will come here. You see this one is no need to pick point to point. Okay, this one is generate automatically. Again select this one. You see this one is automatically generate. Again I will see this radius, this circle radius. You see this circle is radius 4.9511, and arc radius again I will see. You see, I will see the arc radius. This one is radius 2.846 mm. So this one is use of dimension, multiple dimension. Next I have this one is manual dimension. You see this one is manual dimension. So how can we use this one? This one is linear, this one is manual. If I use this command, should be I take one point, click here, then which I need to dimension, second point, then click, then you can find out this dimension. Same this one is manual. I select here, I need to this line dimension, should be I click here, then I click the end point, then it will be show the dimension. For example, I have also this line, this legend line. I will legend line is dimension. How can same this one is manual. Click here, then click second point, then you can find out the dimension. And also same this one legend arc I have is arc this one, and radius I have this one is radius. If you want to radius, also I have is diameter. This one is diameter. You see this one is diameter. And if you want to this one is radius, you select here, and you see this one is radius. And also I have here is one ladder. This one is ladder. Which object you want to select here, and you can mention everything what you want. What you want, you can mention this one. Also next I have add ladder. If I want to two line this one, You see, for example, this one. And you don't need to, this one is write is many time. You can only write one time and you mention this 3 is AutoCAD file. I think you are understand. Also this one is same, is allign collect, and also I have is here one draw panel. If you want to hear some draw panel, you can select, and you see there have is columns, how many columns you need, and the dimension, width, how many columns. Here I have is 2. I gave him the 3, and I had how many rows you need. I need also is 5 row, and row height is 1. It's enough. And you see, I will draw here. Okay, where you want to draw, I will draw here. And what you want to write, you can write is here. Second, what you want, you can write is here. Everything you can write is here. Also, if you want to, this one is edit, you can edit from here. If you want to change the font size, you can change. If you want to hide and size, if you want to change the color, and if you want to need to symbols, everything I have, you can do this one. So today this lecture is finished. Annotation. So next lecture we have is layer. So inshallah we will learn very soon. Thank you for watching this video.